out of this paradise. I'm talking syncopated breathing, love every evening, going 3, 6, 5, dancing every night, fading in and out of feeling.